Welcome to the Wise Lens channel. If you're a student looking for ways to maximize productivity, stay ahead of your coursework, or simply make studying a bit easier, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore the most powerful AI tools for students in 2025. These tools can help you write, study, organize, and even learn faster. Let's dive in. First up, we have AI writing assistants. These tools are becoming more powerful every year, and in 2025, they're smarter than ever. Tools like ChatGPT and Grammarly can help students with everything from brainstorming ideas to editing essays. These tools help with research, idea generation, explanations, and writing assistance. It enhances creativity, critical thinking, and understanding of complex topics. Next, let's talk about AI-powered research tools. Platforms like Zotero and RefNWrite can assist students in gathering, organizing, and referencing academic papers. These tools save valuable time by helping you filter through massive amounts of information and even suggesting relevant articles or papers based on your topic. Struggling with a subject? AI-powered tutoring services like Khan Academy and Quizlet have AI features that adapt to your learning pace. Note-taking has never been easier thanks to AI. Tools like Otter.ai or Notion now offer voice-to-text capabilities, organizing your notes into clear, searchable formats. Whether you're working through math problems or studying for exams, these platforms use AI to personalize the learning experience, offering quizzes, explanations, and step-by-step guides. Preparing for exams can be stressful, but AI tools like Socratic by Google and Anki can ease that burden. They provide personalized quizzes, flashcards, and even video explanations tailored to the subject you're studying, making your revision smarter and more effective. As you can see, AI is transforming the way students study and learn. Whether it's writing, research, tutoring, or time management, there's an AI tool out there to help you achieve your academic goals in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And if you've used any of these tools, let us know in the comments which ones you found the most useful. See you next time.